So go to your web browser of choice and search for QR code generator free or words to that effect. You're going to get a lot of results, but just scroll down till you find the qrcodegenerator.com. And then once you land on the site, if you click URL, select URL, because you're going to be using your website address, then type out your full website address, so include the https:// and then once you add the TLD like .co.uk or .com, you'll get the little swirly and the little green tick. Head across to the green download JPEG button and it will prompt you to sign up, but you don't need to. You're just waiting for it to generate the QR code, which it will do presently. And then you can choose where to download it, so rename it to something that you'll be able to find later on. Click save and it will download a small image file for you to use wherever you like.